Bulk Supplements Creatine Review: Pure Gains or Cheap Quality Risks? Is bulk supplements creatine the ultimate budget-friendly muscle builder or a risky shortcut hiding behind a cheap price tag? Let's break it down. This creatine is pure micronized monohydrate, no fillers, no flavors, just 5 grams per scoop. It's third-party tested and made in CGMP facilities. Plus, it's free from dairy, soy, gluten, and sugar. So far, so clean. At just 22 cents per serving, it's one of the cheapest options out there. You can buy up to 25 kilograms at a time, but the packaging, no scoop, and the seal wears out fast. You're paying for powder and not polish. Performance wise, it hits the clinically backed 5-gram dose. Most users say it mixes well, though a few report a slight chemical aftertaste. Nothing major, but worth noting. Here's the catch: it's not Cray pure source, so purity might not match premium brands. No informed sport certification either, so competitive athletes beware. And if you go for capsules, you need to swallow up to 7 per dose. For everyday lifters, bulk supplements creatine delivers clean gains at a killer price. But if you're chasing elite purity or certifications, you might want to invest in a higher tier brand.